Unlocking Nerve Health. 7 incredible vitamins for repair and recovery. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: the incredible vitamins that can play a crucial role in repairing and recovering from nerve damage. Let's dive right into it. Vitamin B1, the nerve protector. Our first superhero vitamin is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Vitamin B1 is a true champion for nerve function. It's responsible for producing the myelin sheath, a protective coating around nerves. Without it, nerve damage and neuropathy can occur. So, remember to include thiamine-rich foods like whole grains, beans, nuts, and lean meats in your diet. Vitamin B6, the nerve communicator. Next up, we have vitamin B6, or pyridoxine. This vitamin is like the communication specialist of your nerves. It helps produce neurotransmitters, the messengers that allow nerves to talk to each other. A deficiency in B6 can disrupt this vital communication and potentially lead to nerve damage. Find your vitamin B6 in foods like poultry, fish, bananas, and potatoes. Vitamin B12, the oxygen carrier. Now, let's talk about vitamin B12. This one is essential for the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your nerves. Without proper oxygen supply, your nerves can face various neurological problems, including damage. So, ensure you're getting enough B12 from sources like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Moving on to the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. It's not only vital for overall health but also plays a significant role in nerve health. A deficiency in vitamin D can leave your nerves vulnerable to damage and neuropathy. Make sure you're soaking up some sunlight, consuming fortified foods, or considering supplements to meet your vitamin D needs. Before you go further, please comment your valuable thoughts. Vitamin E, the nerve protector. Vitamin E, our next superhero, is a potent antioxidant that shields your nerves from damage. Without enough of it, your nerves can become vulnerable. Nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils are your go-to sources for vitamin E. Alpha-lipoic acid, the natural defender. Now, let's talk about alpha-lipoic acid. Although not a vitamin, it's a naturally occurring compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. ALA can help protect your nerves from damage and promote their healing. Acetyl L-carnitine, the energy booster. Last but not least, acetyl L-carnitine, a nutrient that aids energy production within your cells. ALC can not only protect your nerves from damage but also improve their function. And there you have it, our lineup of 7 incredible vitamins and compounds that can aid in repairing and recovering from nerve damage. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these nutrients is key to maintaining nerve health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major dietary changes or starting new supplements. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and take care. Thanks for watching.